Welcome back, guys. Before the video starts, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you want to make cool cartoon effect in Capcut like this one? Now follow my steps carefully. First, go to your AI and pick the picture you desire. Now type the prompt, exactly like I am typing it. You can add your personal details if you want. You shall wait until it finishes loading your picture. Then press on your generated picture and save it. Now go to Capcut and add both the original and the cartoon picture in the same project. Go ahead and overlay the cartoon picture. Now just follow my steps. And now shorten the overlay like about 1/5 of your main clip. Press on the overlay and find opacity. Add 3 keyframes as I do. At first, in the middle, and at the last of the clip. Make the opacity on the last and on the first keyframes about 0. Copy the overlay as much as. It can fill the whole main clip, but don't forget to leave a gap between them. Now go to Effects and add Cut Effect. Adjust the speed up to 100. Then make the effect 1/3 of the entire clip. Go to Objects and set it to all videos. Copy the effect 3 times and cover the whole clip. Go to Effects again and search up and add the Distort effect. Then make the adjustment speed up to 100. Then set the object to all videos. Go to Effects one last time and search up Discoloration effect. Set the adjustment speed to 70, 85 as your liking. Don't forget to set the object to all videos. And simply you're done. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe for more tutorials.